friends, please subscribe to 1 Billion Tech channel for more informative and amazing new technology videos. Thank you. DARKSTAR. The U.S. Air Force has not officially confirmed the existence of the DARKSTAR, but there have been a number of hints and clues that suggest it is a real project. In 2022, Lockheed Martin congratulated the film Top Gun: Maverick on its 6 Oscar nominations and winning the award for Best Sound. In a series of tweets, the company hinted that perhaps the existence of an aircraft resembling the DARKSTAR wasn't merely fantasy. In one tweet, Lockheed said, "The State Route 71 Blackbird is still the fastest acknowledged crewed air-breathing jet aircraft." This has been interpreted as a subtle reference to the State Route 72, the long-rumored hypersonic successor to the Blackbird. In another tweet, Lockheed shared a photo of the DARKSTAR from the film Top Gun: Maverick. The caption read, "DARKSTAR is a fictional aircraft in the film, but its design is inspired by real-world hypersonic research." Finally, in May 2022, the Edwards Air Force Base in California hosted an air show where a full-scale mock-up of the DARKSTAR was displayed. The FIXAR 025 is an autonomous full-electric drone designed for large-scale and long-range missions for commercial and industrial applications. It has a flight range of up to 300 kilometers, 186 miles, in one battery charge, a payload capacity of up to 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, and a cruise speed of 85 kilometers, 52.8 miles per hour. The FIXAR 025 is equipped with a next-generation autopilot and X-ground control systems that enable fully autonomous flight, including terrain tracking and automated planning. It also has a patented payload safety system to secure the sensors and a data backup black box system for mission and payload data safety. The FIXAR 025 is compatible with any unmanned air traffic management (UTM) ecosystem, making it easy to comply with the Air Traffic Authority rules and start missions at any location. Artificial intelligence. On July 25, 2023, the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL, successfully flew an XQ-58A Valkyrie drone entirely under artificial intelligence (AI) control. The 3-hour flight took place at the Eglin Test and Training Complex in Florida. The AI software that controlled the Valkyrie was developed by the AFRL Skyborg Vanguard program. Skyborg is a research effort to develop autonomous control systems for unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs. The goal of Skyborg is to create UCAVs that can fly alongside manned aircraft and perform a variety of missions, such as air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, and electronic warfare. The July 25th flight was a major milestone for the Skyborg program. It was the first time that an AI system had successfully flown a UCAV for such a long duration. The flight demonstrated that AI is capable of controlling UCAVs in complex and challenging environments. The successful flight of the Valkyrie is a significant development in the field of autonomous aerial vehicles. MQ-25 Stingray is an unmanned aerial refueling aircraft, UARS, under development for the United States Navy. It is the first carrier-based unmanned aircraft in the Navy's fleet. The MQ-25 is designed to refuel other aircraft in flight, extending their range and endurance. It will also be able to carry intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) payloads. The MQ-25 is powered by a single Rolls-Royce AE 3007N turbofan engine and has a length of 51 feet and a wingspan of 75 feet. It can carry up to 13,600 pounds of fuel. The aircraft is equipped with a refueling boom and can refuel a variety of aircraft, including the F and A-18 Super Hornet, EA-18G Growler, and F-35C Lightning II. The MQ-25 is still under development, but it is expected to enter service with the Navy in the early 2020s. The Navy plans to purchase up to 72 MQ-25s. My dear friends, please subscribe to 1 Billion Tech channel for more informative and amazing new technology videos. Thank you. The TR-3B, also known as the Black Triangle or Pyramid UFO, is a purported top-secret military aircraft that is said to be capable of incredible speeds and maneuvers. It is often described as a large, black triangle with 3 equally spaced lights on each side. There is no official confirmation of the existence of the TR-3B, and it is widely considered to be a UFO. However, there have been many reports of sightings of the aircraft, dating back to the 1960s. Some of these reports have been investigated by the military, but no definitive evidence of the TR-3B has been found. The alleged capabilities of the TR-3B are also highly speculative. Some sources claim that it can fly at speeds of up to Mach 9 and that it is capable of making sudden 90-degree turns. Others say that it is powered by a secret anti-gravity technology. The TR-3B is a popular subject of conspiracy theories, and some people believe that it is an alien spacecraft. However, there is no evidence to support this claim. The most likely explanation for the TR-3B is that it is a real aircraft, but one that is still under development and has not been officially acknowledged by the military. The AH-64 Apache is an American twin-turboshaft attack helicopter with a tailwheel-type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a crew of 2. It features a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. It is armed with a 30mm, 1.18-in M230 chain gun carried between the main landing gear, under the aircraft's forward fuselage, and 4 hardpoints mounted on stub wing pylons for carrying armament and stores, typically a mixture of AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and Hydra-70 rocket pods. The AH-64 has significant systems redundancy to improve combat survivability. The AH-64 was developed by Hughes Aircraft in the 1970s and entered service with the United States Army in 1984. It has since been used in numerous conflicts, including the Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the war in Afghanistan. It is also operated by 16 other countries around the world. Volanti Experimental Helicopter is a concept helicopter designed by Jaguar Land Rover and developed by Airbus Helicopters. It is a single-seat, tilt-rotor aircraft that is intended to be used for personal transportation and urban air mobility. The Volanti has 2 rotors, 1 on each wing. The rotors can be tilted to generate lift or thrust, allowing the aircraft to take off and land vertically, like a helicopter. Once airborne, the rotors can be tilted forward to generate forward thrust, allowing the aircraft to fly like a conventional airplane. The main rotors are powered by electric motors, which are powered by a combination of batteries and a gas turbine engine. South Korea has approved a plan to mass-produce medium-altitude long-endurance, male, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, by 2028. The plan is worth $732 million and is aimed at strengthening the South Korean Air Force's surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities. The male UAVs to be mass-produced are expected to be able to conduct intelligence gathering and reconnaissance missions on targets deep within North Korea. The exact number of UAVs to be produced has not been disclosed, but it is likely to be significant. The male UAVs to be mass-produced are expected to be based on the Korean Air CUS-15, which is a male UAV that has been in development since 2005. The CUS-15 made its first flight in 2012, but has not yet entered mass production due to technical problems. The CUS-15 is a twin-engine UAV with a wingspan of 25 meters and a length of 13 meters. Sukhoi Su-57, also known as the Felon, is a fifth-generation multi-role fighter aircraft developed by Sukhoi and manufactured by United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, for the Russian aerospace forces. It is the first operational stealth aircraft for the Russian armed forces. The Su-57 is a twin-engine, single-seat aircraft with a canard delta wing configuration. It is powered by two Izdalai 117 augmented turbofan engines, which give it a top speed of Mach 2 without afterburners. The aircraft has a range of 3,500 kilometers at subsonic speeds. The Su-57 is equipped with a variety of advanced avionics and sensors, including an active phased array radar, infrared search and track system, and electro-optical targeting system. The aircraft also has a distributed aperture system, which uses a network of sensors to provide the pilot with a 360-degree view of the surrounding airspace. My dear friends, please subscribe to 1 Billion Tech channel for more informative and amazing new technology videos. Thank you.